Hi guys! We know that holiday is over and I finished removing all my Christmas decoration. So sad. No more Christmas decorations. So now, guess what? Next! It is deep cleaning the house. So, that is the next task of our life The very first thing I need to do, guys, is clean the cabinets because of all the cooking that I did for Christmas and New Year. I see a lot of like sticky, really sticky and oily. So I need to clean all that, and then I am going to clean all the blinds because there's a lot of the green thingy from the garlands. So I need to clean all the blinds and all the window sills. And look at this. I'll show you. Charon! Look at all of that. And this. It looks like it snowed. So, and look at the blinds, or the blinds, not blinds, window sill. We have to clean all of that. Have to clean this. You can't really see it, but it's very, very dusty. So we are going to do some deep cleaning, and then I'm going to mop the floor. And what else we need to do? Oh, I need to put all my put everything back. This one I decided to keep all the decoration there because I like it there. But this one I have to put all of this back over there and all that. And ta-da! No more Christmas tree. It looks so bare and ugly. Now all the Christmas decorations are gone, even the outside. So I don't know what I wanna put on this side because it looks like I wanna keep that table there. That table used to be on this side right here. So we need to fix our table also. And that one I will just leave it like that. And then over here I need to clean all the counter because you see how there's a lot of that stuff dropped from the garlands from up there. Also that one I need to clean and decorate that area. Anyways, lots and lots to do. Speed clean with me and decorate, a little bit of decorate with me. too. I didn't finish yesterday, guys. So, I'm doing to be continued. So, second day of deep cleaning. Okay guys, next I am going to clean all the cabinets with hot water. We're going to see how dirty the water will be after I clean all the cabinets. So guys, the reason why I moved that stove, look how dirty. It's actually not bad. Welcome to our happy, crazy fun home. Everything I made is homemade with love. And that's what our water look like, guys. That's what it looks like. It's actually not bad. With all the cabinets in the kitchen, top and bottom, not bad. Not bad at all. I was waiting that it's gonna be really black. Because it satisfies me when I see it dirty. And for the final touch, guys, putting our very pretty, very pretty, clean, at least clean hand towels, kitchen towels for the final touch. Ano one and ano one, and that candle smells so good. Oh, even this one right here. I like all my candles on when I'm cleaning. This one is like a lamp. This is the cinnamon caramel. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I am done. OMG. I cannot believe it. See, I put this table right here. And the black one, I put it over there. Over there. Over there. I'll show it to you later. Yes. Yes. I missed the Christmas tree already and it's only been a week. So clean, clean, clean. No more those green thingies from the Christmas tree all over the floor and glitters. Oh, clean kitchen. And I'm going to hang something up there because I don't want to remove that hook. I'm gonna make something, paint something, putting Win's life. Oh, I need to put, I forgot to put my plant. Clean. This is so clean. Yes, because before it's so much oily. What's wrong with my English today? I'm probably tired already from cleaning. So this one, all the cabinets are very oily from the holiday cooking. Clean. And this one, I'm loving it because before I can see a lot of salt in between there. But this glass, this votive glass, that's gonna be dirty again in about 2 weeks. Look at the inside. It's hazy. I didn't clean really good inside. I'm scared to push it really hard. And this one, I just left it there because that's for my coffee shop and sugar shack. Clean dining area, formal dining area. And I need to put plant over there in that corner. And then maybe my next project is to change the curtain. Clean. Tomorrow it will be the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So this is where I put this black table that used to be right there. Because that table, it was in the garage. That's from Chris's mom. So different decor this time. This one says death has no power over me. 1 Corinthians 15:55. And this is what I did over here. It's not the same from last time. And I put these 2 Japanese lanterns there. It used to be right there. So we just put things around. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. top of that, it will inspire you to clean your place. So I'll see you guys again later. Bye for now.